for people to have bread in New Pakistan in which we are living. Accuse of everything is not good, but lack of knowledge is also not good. So let me tell you all about the condition of New Pakistan in which we are living, condition of Imran Khan. People are dying cause of hunger, and our leaders of this government are sitting in high-fi air conditioner rooms. People are committing suicide, and our president says don't worry, don't worry, and don't worry. If really you people want to have bread, you have to go to old Pakistan. Otherwise it is very difficult for people to have bread in New Pakistan. In old Pakistan, people were able to eat food. Poor people were able to buy something. Poor people were able to take a breath in a peace. But unfortunately, Mr. President, unfortunately it is very difficult nowadays to have bread for one time for poor people to eat.
Justify the good thing is very easy, but justify the bad thing is very difficult. But you are saying that old Pakistan is better than New Pakistan. We have to go in old Pakistan to for bread. But you have to, you have to cut every relation with every country if you want to go to old Pakistan. You have to go on that dark Pakistan where light was not there, where gas was not there. You have to go to on that old Pakistan where justice was not there. You have to go to on that old Pakistan where nothing was there. There is not that nowadays. If the prices are increases, the salaries are also increases. The price of everything is increases, and the salaries are also increases. There is nothing different. But the difference is something that we are not living on the need. We are living on the wishes. Just our wishes are increases, nothing is increases. If we want to live in New Pakistan, we have to sacrifice.
Everything was there, but on that time your mind was not there. Light was there, everything was there. So when a person says that he was borrowed, Nawaz Sharif took too much loan. So what is your Khan Sahib is doing? Why he is not paying taxes? Too much taxes are he is taking, but still we don't know where are the taxes are going. In COVID-19, too much fund came, but still, Mr. President, we don't know where fund went. So then, when a person has finished point, then person will say that we have to go to New Pakistan. What is there? This is humanity of Imran Khan. What is going on, Mari? What is going on? Do you know? This is humanity of Imran Khan. Only one call. He called the Punjab Chief Secretary. All soldiers will come, but humanity is not there. No one has value in this Pakistan. But our rights are not there. Even in what university? 3 students. Still we don't know where are the students.
Sorry, my friend, because I'm living in New Pakistan, I have to say about New Pakistan. I don't know about the old Pakistan because I'm not that much old. And that's why I have to say about, and I have to justify nowadays because we are the new Pakistan. We are the new generation. We have to make, I have never said that my time is the bad time. It's the best time if we want to make it. We are the maker and we are the destroyer. If we want to make a country, we are the maker. And if we want to destroy our country, we are here. We are saying that Imran Khan, that. I'm not here to justify Imran Khan, who is Imran Khan and who is Nawaz Sharif. I'm here to justify my time. This is my time. This is New Pakistan. I'm here to justify this thing. I'm not here to justify Imran Khan. And secondly, we are living in New Pakistan. In New Pakistan, what is not there? Everything is there. But we don't know the usage. We don't know the way how to use. We don't know the way how to serve to the people. We are lazy, that's why.
So you should make country progress. Why you are going to darkness? We all are living in new generation. We are the generation of new. So then how no one is, I think no one is there in old Pakistan, in old generation. So then how can you say that I am living in old generation? So then let me tell you, in old Pakistan, it was very easy for poor people to fulfill their rights, to fulfill their desires, to fulfill their needs. It was very easy for poor people to freedom, they should speak their freedom, but still we don't know where are the freedoms in this Pakistan. In Imran Khan, this is humanity that poor people are dying, but our president say don't worry, don't worry, don't worry. This is humanity of Imran Khan. This is humanity of old Pakistan. In COVID-19, people were dying, but our president, he was living in Saudi Arabia. This is humanity of your Imran Khan. This is humanity of your new Pakistan in which you are living.
Unfortunately, not in just our country, and in every country people were dying. So little bit chill. And after that, old Pakistan, I will again say that I'm not old and I don't know about old Pakistan. One thing. And you are saying I'm in new generation. I'm saying that you are in new generation. I'm not saying you are in old generation. The thing which you know from old Pakistan, I don't know about old Pakistan. So that's why I'm saying about new Pakistan. And the thing which is more important, you are saying that and nowadays the poor people are dying. What do you think? At that time the people were not dying. Every generation there is poor people and there is rich people. There is not any country where just rich are living, and there is not any country where just poor are living. This is the world. Allah has created like that. Poor, rich, disabled, able, everyone.